This is how I make my own professional grade SFX gelatin, as well as some mistakes that I made for you to avoid, so if you would like to see that, then keep on watching. What you'll need is some 70% liquid sorbitol, glycerin, 300 bloom gelatin, a scale, and a microwave safe container, as well as something to use as a mold for your gelatin. So starting with my container on this scale, I'm going to set that to ounces and zero it out. Then I'm going to pour 200 ounces of liquid sorbitol and 200 ounces of glycerin. It's a 1-to-1 ratio, and you're going to give that a good mix. In a separate container, I'm pouring 50 ounces of 300 bloom gelatin, so that is a 1:8 ratio to liquid. And to mix that in, I'm just pouring a little bit of the gelatin at a time and giving it a good mix, and then repeating the process. Alright, so this is the part where I messed up, and you can learn from my mistake. I thought that I could color this with silicone pigments, but it did not mix well together. As you can see, it just left little clumps of pigment inside of the gelatin. So I found out that you could use foundation, or you could use loose pigments to color your gelatin. You could use any foundation that you have at home. Once everything is mixed, you're going to pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds, and then you're going to take it out and give it a good stir. You're going to repeat that 4 times, no more than 2 minutes, because then the gelatin could start to burn. Be very careful with this because this stuff gets pretty hot. So if you're someone who's clumsy, I'd recommend using a heat protective glove. Once it's heated up, I'm just spraying my mold with mold release, and then I'm going to pour that in. You could technically use this stuff after 30 minutes, but I left mine overnight, and the next morning I'm just giving it a light powder because this stuff is very sticky. And there you have it, some professional grade SFX gelatin, not made from grocery store ingredients. You can use this gelatin for any prosthetics, you can use it for fake wounds or whatever your heart desires. Thank you for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know if you'd like to see more videos like this.